Forget data scientists, forget prompt engineers. There's a new breed of professional quietly rising to become the most valuable career in 2025. They're not coders, they're not researchers. There's something far more powerful. They're called AI Generalists. And if you haven't heard of them yet, you're already falling behind. By the end of this video, you'll know who they are, why they're considered unicorns, and the exact roadmap to becoming one yourself.
For years, the advice was simple. Pick a niche, master one skill, become the expert. But in 2025, that formula is breaking down. Prompt engineers, tools like ChatGPT, are making their roles easier by the day. Data scientists, platforms like AutoML and Gemini are automating complex modeling. Coders, no-code AI builders can spin up apps in hours. Specialists are becoming commoditized. And here's the truth. What once took deep expertise now takes curiosity and the right AI stack.
If specialists are losing ground, who's actually winning? The rise of multimodal AI tools, models that handle text, images, video, and even code, means businesses don't just need one-skill experts. They need bridge builders. People who can connect product with marketing, translate data into business strategy, and stitch together AI tools into real-world solutions. That's where AI generalists thrive. They innovate not by digging deeper into one niche, but by connecting ideas across multiple domains. So what exactly makes these AI unicorns so valuable? If you want to be one of these rare professionals, you'll need 3 core competencies. Fluency in AI interaction, prompting text models, generating visuals, coding with copilots. Business strategy awareness, knowing where AI drives revenue, efficiency, or customer growth. And data and ethics literacy, interpreting insights and deploying AI responsibly. Notice what's missing. You don't need a PhD. You don't need 10 years of coding. You need range, adaptability, and systems thinking. But knowing what makes an AI generalist isn't enough. Let's map out exactly how to become one. Step 1, strategic upskilling. Don't memorize frameworks. Learn core AI principles. Understand how models think, not just how they're used. Step 2, build a T-shaped skill set. Get broad exposure across AI tools. Then go deep on 1 or 2 lanes, maybe automation, maybe AI content. Step 3, network and collaborate. The best opportunities aren't in job boards. They're in communities where AI generalists trade playbooks, share projects, and build together. Step 4, build a portfolio. Your proof of skill isn't a resume. It's a collection of projects, automated workflows, AI-powered apps, or content engines you've built yourself. And here's the mindset shift that ties it all together. AI Generalist isn't a static title. It's a mindset. Because in AI, what's cutting edge today is obsolete tomorrow. To thrive, you'll need to learn fast, unlearn faster, stay endlessly curious. The real unicorns of 2025 aren't the ones who mastered a single skill. They're the ones who mastered adaptability. The world doesn't need more specialists. It needs connectors, builders, and problem solvers. That's the AI Generalist, the new unicorn career of 2025. So here's your challenge. Start building your AI stack. Start connecting skills, and step into the role that every company will be desperate to fill. Comment which AI tools you're adding to your stack right now. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI careers, because this shift isn't coming, it's already here.